Yes,
Yes,
before
Tanvi.
we start with the game, I want to tell about the current situation. Like due to the coronavirus pandemic, our education has drastically changed. Our students have entered into the world of online classes, okay, and they become more tech savvy. So we have come up with the online quiz, which will help them to improve the concentration, build confidence, and also they retain the information. As we all know, our kids love playing quiz. It can be launch quiz, join quiz, or any form of the quiz they love to play. So for that, we have come up with a game. It's a we can say quiz with a different twist. So Marita will explain us about the game. She'll tell us more about the game.
Very good morning, judges and my dear teachers. So we have come up with a game that is called Quiz with a Twist. So I will just go forward. The participants are Jyoti ma'am and myself. Okay, so to introduce this game, as Jyoti ma'am has already explained, it is a formal and an informal way of assisting the knowledge of the students. This particular game can also be used in order to have a recap of the previous chapters, or even at the end of the lecture once we have already completed the concept which we have planned for a particular class. At the end of that particular session also we can play this game. So the objectives of this game are, first of all, obviously when we talk about quiz, children are very anxious. They are looking forward to play a quiz. So this is also another fun way of learning. So the students get the ability to read. So over here their reading skills also improves. There is a maximum class participation. There will be discussions among the groups. So over here we can say that the teamwork increases over here. The students also get to identify their knowledge, whether what they know and what they don't know. And when they identify what they don't know, at this point of time they also have scope of improvement. And since this is in the form of a quiz, therefore the results that they get is also on the spot, or we can say they get quick results.
This is a game where we need to play online. Like if the start button comes, we need to click on the start button, and then the timer starts. And then we have this kind of format where we have a player one and a player two. It can be played with two people also, and suppose we can make a group and we can call one player from each group and they can play. And here also there's a fun element, like no for the player one we have a blue card, and for the player two we have a red card. So basically when I put a question and I will ask, the player one has the keys which they need to play is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the player two will play the keys 5, 6, 7, 8. As I am playing online, so I will be using this key. I just going to ask player one question, and what answer he gives, according to that, I will press the key. Suppose WH words used to indicate someone. So if the player one gives the correct answer, I will click the second one. And if I same question which asked to player two, so if even though if he gives the right answer, I have to play 5, 6, 7, and then click the next button. And if both are right, the car starts moving. And automatically I get a next question. Won't is used for if the player one says it's a negative, okay, it's number two. And if I say player two says it is a interrogative, I will just click on interrogative. If he gives a wrong answer, next. Then automatically the player two car goes behind. Then again, the one more question comes. How do you spell it correctly? So if it is 1, 2, 3 umbrella, and again if the player two gives the answer umbrella, so if it is 6, so next. So in this way, we need to ask them questions, and these questions are already inserted in that. What are you doing? I am playing. So I will click number 3 for the player 1, and number 2 is giving me again I am playing. So it will be clicked by 7, and again I click a next button. So yes. So again there is one more question coming up. The negative of must is. So if the player one gives me the correct answer, I have to click first. And if I'll ask second player also to give the correct answer, and then I have to click for the number 6. So this way, like no, we come to that the person who is giving the all right answer, that particular group or the particular person will win. And we can create as many as questions we want. Like I have, this is the one slot which I've created the questions. I have made like this 2-3 slots. We can put 10 questions also, and 5 maximum is 10 questions. More than we can't put, and minimum we can put 5 questions here. So this is the game which we can play online, and all the it's a kind of excitement for kids to play online games, as we maximum things are done online, and this can be played even the offline also. Offline it is very easy because both our contestants are physically present there, so they can just press their own keys. So now Marita ma'am will tell us the learning outcomes.
Ma'am, the learning outcomes of this game is student learns the basic concept, that is the problem solving skills. Also, the child will have more confidence in knowing that he or she has understood the concept, the knowledge, he has acquired the knowledge of the subject matter that has been taught or explained in the classroom. The student will also be able to get used to or get adapted to a new way of learning and innovative style of learning. Then, as I said, that there will be a teamwork that will increase. So